Hello children, today we are going to study 4.6 Papa Panau's Special Christmas. So in this chapter we are going to study how Papa Panau received his gift and what was his reaction. Yes, so it was Christmas Eve and although it was still afternoon, lights had begun to appear in the shops and houses of the little Russian village, for the short winter day was nearly over. So as we read and as we know that it was Christmas period, yes, from the heading itself we are coming to understand that it was Christmas time. Everybody were happy and they had lit the lights. Yes, so excited children scurried indoors and now only muffled sounds of chatter and laughter escaped from closed shutters. So all the children were very happy. They moved indoors, inside, and only muffled sounds, slow, low sounds of chatter and laughter escaped from closed shutters. Since the doors were closed, so their laughter could not be heard much. Old Papa Penau, the village shoemaker. Now, who was Papa Penau? He was the village shoemaker. Stepped outside his shop to take one last look around. So he stepped outside his shop. The sounds of happiness, the bright lights, and the faint but delicious smells of Christmas cooking reminded him of past Christmas times when his wife had still been alive and his own children little. सो वो जब बाहर आए तो उन्होंने देखा कि बाहर इतनी लाइट्स हैं, हैप्पीनेस है, साउंड्स, खुशबू आ रही है, तो उन्होंने उनको अपना पहले का सब क्रिसमस याद आया जब उनकी बीवी जिंदा थी एंड हिज किड्स वर यंग लिटिल. नाउ दे हैड गॉन, सो नाउ they are big now, they have been to some other places and his wife is dead. His usually cheerful face with a little laughter wrinkles behind the round steel spectacles. Yes, so normally he is very cheerful. And wrinkles means, with the little laughter, wrinkle means old people when they laugh they get wrinkles. झुर्रियाँ बोलते हैं उन्हें, right? So now he was looking sad. But he went back indoors with a firm step, put up the shutters and set a pot of coffee to heat on the charcoal stove. उदास थे बट स्टिल अंदर गए, दरवाज़ा बंद किया, कॉफ़ी के लिए रखा एंड बैठे हैं. देन विद अ साई ही सेटल्ड इन हिज बिग आर्म चेयर एंड थोड़ा रिलैक्स के लिए आर्म चेयर में बैठे. आर्म चेयर मीन्स द चेयर विच इज़ हैविंग टू हैंड्स, आर्म. Papa Penno did not often read, but tonight he pulled down the big old family Bible and slowly tracing the lines with one forefinger. Now forefinger is index finger. He read again the Christmas story. So normally Papa Penno was not interested in reading, but that day he wanted to read. So he took out the Bible and started reading the Christmas story. He read how Mary and Joseph, tired by their journey to Bethlehem, found no room for them at the inn. So in that story he read that Mary and Joseph were tired, yes, and they did not get any room at the inn, at the hotel. So that Mary's little baby was born in the cowshed. So Mary को जो बच्चा हुआ वो cowshed में हुआ. Who's the baby? Jesus. Oh dear, exclaimed Papa Penau. If only they had come here, I would have given them my bed and I could have covered the baby with my patchwork quilt to keep him warm. So जैसे रीड किया तो वो यहाँ पे इमेजिन कर रहे हैं, अरे मेरे पास आते तो मैं उनको रहने जगह देता, क्विल्ट देता, यस, उनको अच्छा बेड देता. He read on about the wise men who had come to see baby Jesus bringing him splendid gifts. फिर वो आगे भी पढ़े कि जो लोग आए थे उसको जीसस के लिए गिफ्ट्स ले आए थे. Papa Penau's face fell. I have no gifts that I could give him, he thought sadly. But मैं क्या करूँ, मेरे पास तो कुछ गिफ्ट्स है ही नहीं इन्हें देने. What should I give? I don't have any. Then his face brightened. He put down the Bible, got up and stretched his long arms to the shelf high up in his little room. उसके बाद में उनको एक आइडिया आया, उन्होंने कुछ सोचा, oh wow, yes. So he got up from the armchair, stretched his arms and he took something. He took down a small dusky box and opened it. Inside was a perfect pair of tiny leather shoes. उन्होंने tiny leather shoes, एकदम छोटे बेबीज के लिए leather shoes निकाला. Papa Penau smiled with satisfaction. Why did he smile? Yes, because he thought if Jesus would come, I will also gift pair of shoes. Yes, they were as good as he had remembered. The best shoes he had ever made. So these shoes were made by Papa Penau. I should give him those, he decided as he gently put them away and sat down again. Side में रखा और वापस बैठ गए. He was feeling tired now, and the further he read, the sleepier he became. So he was tired. So the further he was reading, और भी उनको नींद आ रहा था. The print began to dance before his eyes, so that he closed them just for a minute. तो उसने बोला बाप रे ये लेटर्स सब तो डांस कर रहे हैं, कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा है, उतना मुझे नींद आ रहा है. I'll just stop reading for a minute. In no time at all, Papa Penau was fast asleep. थोड़े देर सोने का बोल के वो डीप गहरा नींद में चली गई. And as he slept, he dreamed. He dreamed that someone was in his room and he knew at once, as one does in dreams, who the person was. So नींद में उनको सपना आया और सपने में उनको लगा कि रूम में कोई है. And he could see who that person is. And it was none other than Jesus. Normally हम लोग जब सोते हैं हमको ड्रीम्स आता है. Yes, so that dream is very much clear and we remember it also. हमको याद भी रहता है और हमको लगता है कि ऐसे ही सच में ही कोई है. Similarly पापा पेनो को भी नींद में सपना आया कि कोई तो आया है अपने रूम में, and evidently he could find out that it was Jesus. You have been wishing that you could see me, Papa Penau, he said kindly. So Jesus बोल रहे हैं आपको तो मेरे से मिलना था ना. Then look for me tomorrow. It will be Christmas Day and I will visit you. So आप मेरे लिए कल राह देखो, कल क्रिसमस है and I'll come to meet you. But look carefully, for I shall not tell you who I am. ध्यान से देखो क्योंकि मैं तो नहीं बताऊंगा कि मैं कौन हूँ. So he can come in anything. When at last Papa Penau awoke, the bells were ringing out and a thin light was filtering through the shutters. Bless my soul, said Papa Penau. It's Christmas Day. So next day he got up and early in the morning and it was Christmas. He stood up and stretched himself for he was rather stiff. सो के उठने के बाद थोड़ा उन्होंने stretching किया. Then his face filled with happiness as he remembered his dream. So normally we all remember our dream. So he too remembered his dream and he was very happy. This would be a very special Christmas after all, for Jesus was coming to visit him. So this year it was a special Christmas. Why? Because उनके ड्रीम में आया था कि जीसस आके उनसे मिल के जाएंगे. How would he look? Would he be a little baby as at that first Christmas? कैसे रहेंगे वो? बेबी जैसा रहेंगे जब उनका फर्स्ट क्रिसमस मनाया? Would he be a grown man, a carpenter, or the great king that he is, God's son? He must watch carefully the whole day through so that he recognized him however he came. पता नहीं अभी कौन से वेश में आएंगे, yes, किसके जैसे आएंगे. So Papa Penau need to be very careful. Papa Penau put on a special pot of coffee for his Christmas breakfast, took down the shutters and looked out of the window. Papa Penau अपना कॉफ़ी में रखे and शटर को ओपन किया. The street was deserted. रास्ते में कोई नहीं था. No one was staring yet. Nobody was moving here and there. No one except the road sweeper. सब लोग बिजी थे, but बेचारा ये road sweeper था. He looked as miserable and dirty as ever, and well he might. बहुत गरीब लग ही रहा था. Of course, who would love to work in any festival? Yes, Since he was very poor and he was not having any money, he had to work on that special day also. Whoever wanted to work on Christmas Day and in the raw cold and bitter freezing mist of such a morning, किसको अच्छा लगेगा इतना सुबह सुबह ठंडी में आके काम करने. He was very poor, he was not having any money, that's why he had no other choice. Papa Penna opened the shop door, letting in a thin stream of cold air. अपना दरवाज़ा खोला शॉप का. Come in, he shouted across the street cheerily. अंदर आ जाओ. Come in and have some hot coffee to keep out the cold. अंदर आ जाओ ताकि आप थोड़े ठंड से बच जाओगे. The sweeper looked up, scarcely able to believe his ears. एकदम अरे बाप रे मैंने क्या सुना ये. Because it was unbelievable. कोई ऐसे बुला के देगा नहीं. But since Papa Penna was very kind, he called the sweeper home. He was only too glad to put down his broom and come into the warm room. इतना अच्छा लगा कि उन्होंने हाथ का जो झाड़ू है सी दिस नीचे रखा और अंदर आ गए. His old clothes steamed gently in the heat of the stove and he clasped both red hands round the comforting warm mug as he drank. जो कपड़ा था वो भी उन्होंने सेक लिया एंड दोनों हाथ से मग पकड़ा एंड ही स्टार्टेड ड्रिंकिंग. Papa Penna watched him with satisfaction, but every now and then his eyes strayed to the window. It would never do to miss his special visitor. उनको स्वीपर को कॉफ़ी पीते देख के पापा पेना वॉज वेरी हैप्पी, बट स्टिल he was always looking at the window as if he is waiting for someone. Expecting someone, the sweeper asked at last. स्वीपर को भी लगा रही है क्या बार बार ऐसे विंडो की तरफ देख रहे, तो उन्होंने पूछ ही लिया किसी का इंतज़ार कर रहे हैं. सो पापा पेनाउ टोल्ड हिम अबाउट हिज ड्रीम. सो पापा पेनाउ टोल्ड हिम अबाउट द ड्रीम. सपना क्या आया था दैट जीसस इज गोइंग टू विजिट हिम. वेल आई होप ही कम्स, द स्वीपर सेड. यू हैव गिवन मी अ बिट ऑफ क्रिसमस चीर आई नेवर एक्सपेक्टेड टू हैव. आपका ड्रीम जो है वो फुलफ़िल होने दो, पूरा होने दो. आपने मुझे क्रिसमस का खाना दिया है और मैं ये कभी एक्सपेक्ट नहीं किया था. आई वुड से यू डिज़र्व टू हैव योर ड्रीम कम ट्रू. एंड ही एक्चुअली स्माइल्ड. स्माइल किया उन्होंने और उसने बोला कि आपको जो भी ड्रीम आया था वो सब पूरा हो जाए. यस